Example 4 time. Fourth and final example so far. Could add more videos to difficulty 4. So here we have a function f of x is equal to x minus 1 over x plus 2. And I want to find f of x plus 1, f of x minus 2, and f of 3x plus 1. We're just plugging in weird expressions into our function. Same approach as last time. Let's fly through it. F of x plus 1. Every place I see an x, I'm going to replace it with an x plus 1. So x plus 1 minus 1, because of this minus 1, over x plus 1 plus 2. What does that give me? Drop the parentheses, because all we're doing is adding and subtracting. We can do that. So it gives me x over x plus 3. All right, so that one is done. All we did was replace x with x plus 1. Moving on to the next one. F of x minus 2. Every place I see an x, replace it with an x minus 2. X minus 2 minus 1. X minus 2 plus 2. So what this gives me is, we'll drop parentheses, I get x minus 3 in the numerator, and in the denominator I get x. Okay, because the minus 2 and the 2 cancel. So we're done with that guy. How about f of 3x plus 1? Every place I see an x up here, I'm going to replace it with 3x plus 1. Same drill. We have 3x plus 1 minus 1 over 3x plus 1 plus 2. And that gives me 3x over, well, because the 1 and the minus 1 cancel, that's how I got the 3x. And then I have 3x plus 1 plus 2. So combining like terms, this gives me 3x plus 3. I can simplify this a little further, because I notice I have a factor of 3 in the numerator. I also have a common factor of 3 across all the terms added together in the denominator. So I can factor out a 3 in the denominator. All right, and if you want to confirm that I did this right, you take 3, you multiply it into x and the 1. And the 3, since we have multiplication on top and bottom, the 3's cancel. Can't cancel over addition, you can cancel over multiplication and division. That is it. So this leaves me with x over x plus 1. Okay? Most people would be happy with this, but if you see the opportunity to simplify even more and cancel stuff, always take it. All right, so this example is done. We just did the exact same thing as the previous 3 examples. We just plugged in these weird expressions every place we saw x and simplified. That is it. Okay? So in the next difficulty, we're going to be looking at plugging stuff into piecewise defined functions. That gets a little hairy for some people. So if you think that you'd like some help on that, please head over, or actually head up to the next example set and difficulty 5. I'll see you there.